In this video, I'll show you how to make a party on Roblox mobile. Well, so creating a party and joining with your friends is super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to make a party on Roblox, you just open up the Roblox application from your Android phone or iPhone. And from the home page, go ahead and tap on party option at the bottom. And once you're here inside the party, go ahead and select the person with whom you want to create a party for. So let's say I'm going to select the second person from here. Once the conversation opens, at the top right, he'll get to see the start option. You just need to tap on start and the party will be created from here. If I get back from here, he'll get to see the party started. One person is active, so you can actually tap on view or you can tap on the top right here and he'll get to see it's inviting the other person. And also you can add multiple person if you want. You can tap on this plus button at the top right and you can select the person that you want to add to this party and then tap on add, and all those person will be added to this party list. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.